Hello everybody. To install and set up the FunC language, you must first open the tun.org site. And then scroll down the page. And click on the Developers Center. When this page opens, and then scroll down the page. And click on the Develop Smart Contracts. Click on the documentation in the FunC section. When this page opens, find the archive in the sidebar. And click on Precompiled Binaries. For the local development of Tun smart contracts without JavaScript, you need to prepare binaries of FunC, FiF, and Lite client on your device. Download the binaries from this table. Select the correct version for your operating system. My operating system is Windows 11. We download one by one. And we use the instructions provided by the site itself. After downloading, cut binaries file which we downloaded. You need to create a Tun folder in C drive and user's username tunbn. tunbn, and move the installed files there. Cut file which we downloaded in bn. Download Tun binaries. If you plan to use FiF, you need FiF path environment variable. First download fiflib.zip. Open the zip in some directory on your machine. Extract zip files and move them in Tun folder. Press Window plus R and write sysdm.cpl and click OK. In Advanced tab, click Environment Variables. In User Variables section, click on Path. Create a new click button. New environment variable FIFTPATH in User Variables section. In the Variable Value field, Specify the path to the files. And click OK. Done. To check whether everything was installed correctly, run in terminal.
FiF-V and FunC-V and Light Client-V. And if you encounter these messages, it means that everything is installed correctly. Okay, now we right click on the Tone folder and open in terminal. And in terminal write tone.cli start test. Test is incorrect name. You must choose one of these names. For example, I choose wallet. Okay, the project was created successfully and we open it in VS Code. As you can see, this is the project structure. Then install it. Open the extensions, search FunC and install it. Bye, see you in the next lecture.